Hey everyone, welcome to another episode in the Gym Beginner series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MyFitnessPal app to track your food and water. So I'm basing the food on the recipe videos we did for the eggs, spinach, and avocado with oatmeal, and the chicken and veggie stir fry with brown rice. Here I am in MyFitnessPal. I'm going to go to diary, and for breakfast, there's a third cup, 1/3 of a cup. So I'm just going to search eggs, and I already had 2 eggs previously. Then we're just going to add that here. And it was pretty small, so I'll say it was half of that. Of blueberries. And 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. So for lunch, let's talk about that stir fry. So we're going to add in 8 ounces of that chicken breast. Put this one over here, cool. And then 1 cup of zucchini. All right. And 1 cup bell pepper. 1 tablespoon for the lunch dinner. And finally 1 cup of brown rice. Could go to the bottom here and add water and all the different increments we could use, you see. And if we add in the smoothie we made, all of our macros total 139 grams of protein, 122 grams of carbs, and 66 grams of fat, or 1,679 calories. So this wraps up the nutrition portion of the Gym Beginner series. Now let's get started with the gym stuff. The next episode is all about what to wear and bring to the gym. Thanks for watching.